I just thought they were near Billings.
It's probably like way over there.
Probably some kids having fun with some fireworks.
It's also French kids.
It is French.
Oh, no.
Whoa!
So good. I just hear woo. I just hear random woo.
It'd be cool if they set up the piranha.
I think that's it. Oh
No, not yet!
not just yet.
Every time
Nowhere near.
every time we doubt it, they come back with more.
Yeah, every time I say, oh, there's no more, they come out with more.
Hey, maybe. Okay, never mind.
I wonder if it's kids doing it or if
It is kids. It's
Probably
teenagers.
little kids.
The French kids I saw before. Is that it? I think so.